Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of my previous video where I make a front end of calendar using Blazor. In this tutorial I am gonna connect this calendar with our SQL database so that we can set notes on selected dates. When I click on an individual date, then we can see a pop-up from where we can set notes on selected date. So let's see how we can do it. This is my database, my calendar. Here I already create a database table which is day event. Here is the primary key where auto increment is off, and also have two fields, note and event date. And I also create a store procedure. This is my store procedure. This is for delete event, this is for update event, and this is for insert event. You will find this store procedure in video description. Let's go to backend. This is my interface. Now I am going to connect our database. So open Server Explorer, click on connect to database. Here we have to give server name, this one, copy, here is our database, my calendar. Go to app settings.json, connection strings. My connection strings name will be my database name, my calendar, and then okay, done. Let's create day events repository. So I'm gonna create a folder which is service, day event service. It's an interface, so interface, day event, save or update, day event, get event, event date, and then day event get events from date and to date, delete by event ID. Service, implement interface, open startup.cs and service add scope. Okay, done. day event list, create constructor, this one, when startup, copy this part and paste here. From this configuration we can get connection strings. So okay, save or update. New. Try catch. When find any error, then I will return it in message property. I'm going to create an enum class. This one, insert, update and delete. And then I'm gonna add a package manager which is Dapper for mapping okay, done. Return this. For store procedures parameter, I'm gonna create this method, parameters day event, then operation type, parameters, return this, and then parameters add store procedure, copy, here's primary key, same as gonna take other parameters, note, and then event date, and this operation type. Okay, convert to integer, day event, primary key, if 0, then operation type will be insert, otherwise operation type will be update, and then DB connection, new SQL connection, system.data.sql client, we have to install it, and then from this configure get connection string, which is go to fsettings.json, my calendar. Okay, if connection state is closed, then connection will be open. Query. This one is from Dapper, and here I'm gonna pass our store procedure name, which is sp day event, and set parameter, and this one, and then operation type, add is here, and then common type, store procedure. If not equal null and count is greater than 0, then set first or default. Okay, save or update method is done. Let's do get events, where I'm going to pass all the events between dates. Same as, and going to return this. String dot format, which is select all from table name, where event between this and which is from date in string format, and to date. We no need this part. Only pass SQL here and make it to list. It will return list. Okay, done. Date event will return single node of an event. Where event date to string okay, done. Single or default, else day event date will be event date, same as from date will be event date, and to date. Same as you can also use this store procedure for delete method. This part is done. Let's go to interface, which is index.razor, inject calendar iService event day event service day event by default from date is equal to current date. To date is also equal to current date by default, and note it. Go to model, let's bind it. From date bind value, which is from date. To date bind value to date, and note bind value, which is note. For save button, on click save note, and void save note. Selected week index -1, selected day index -1, open calendar body, current object day event, day events equal day event service dot get events. From date is start date, and to date is ended, and then find event date to a string, which is in this format, is equal to this one dot this day event ID. If current object is null, then set 0 primary key, otherwise set its primary key, same as note. This part is done. When click for open a model, then selected week index will be this one, and selected day index will be this one. Okay, day event service get that note, convert to date time, weeks of this, dates of this index, date value, and day event will be equal this. This one is global object, which is this one. It will bind our values on model, and then model will open. When we click on save button, then JEvent equal JEvent service dot save or update. It will save our selected JEvent if JEvent ID is greater than 0, then week index dot dates selected day index. JEvent ID will be JEvent ID, same as set its node. Then I will call a method which is reset model. Let's create this one. Private void display model false, selected day index -1, selected week index -1. Also call this method from close model. Okay, done. The service set debugger, run. Okay. Run. Here is our calendar. Let's select March 11, double click on it. Here is our March date, and here I'm gonna set a note, say my event test 1, save. Here is our object, note, continue. Here it is. Let's open our database, open that table. Here it is. Let's set here. Note on episode March, save. Go to May, this is May day, save. Okay, open database, here it is. Go to March, here we can see our saved notes on selected date. Hope you enjoy. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.